Welcome, everyone. We are finally to week 6, which means that we are halfway or a third of the way through the course. And so, with that, I wanted to sort of do a review and get some ideas about where you guys felt you were. And part of that reason is because, I want to make sure that you are where you need to be by the end of this semester. So, here's a little review about where things stand right now. So far, I think you guys are doing a pretty good job. The discussion board posts are getting better and better, and you guys are beginning to sound more and more like counselors. This week especially, it seemed like you all stuck to the information in the text and really use that to talk about some of the things that you're doing in your good life. So job well done. One of the things that we need to sort of focus on are that some are still missing assignments, or they're getting them in late. And I understand you guys have life going on, and so I want to be reactive to that and understanding, but I also need for you all to make this a priority. And so what I will do is I will try to do everything to stay on top of things, and I need you guys to try and get things done either early or plan when you know that you're going to have something going on. And then it also seems as if we aren't reading and viewing everything. I gave some extra credit points to people who emailed me, who watched the last video, and everyone didn't email me. So that was a little concerning. So I want you guys to be thinking about that. Some of the challenges that we mentioned is that some people said that they wanted to submit the reflections late and wanted to be able to turn in exams on Sunday. You all just felt like with the time restrictions, things were better if you could get them in on Sunday. You also want to be able to practice skills. Some said they wanted to have an open discussion, and then there were some that said that the multiple deadlines were a bit confusing or frustrating. And so these are some of the things that I think that we can do to change in order to help you all overcome these things. I will leave the reflections and the exams open until Sunday. As long as they're into me before I grade on Monday, you will get all of the points, except you will lose 1 point if you turn them in after Saturday, and 2 points on the exams if you turn them in after Saturday. One of the main reasons why I want you to get them in Saturday is that when I get up and do the videos or make changes by Sunday for the next week, I need to be able to know where you all are. However, I understand that some of you all still need Sunday, so you can get most of the points if you turn them late on Sunday. I will also make your discussion boards more skill-based and application-based like we did last week. Several people said that was really helpful, and so it'll either be asking you to try something out on your family, your coworkers, or asking you to read a case study or a case illustration like you'll be asked this week. I also have created a social and questions discussion board where you can just ask random questions. You can socialize. You can ask your classmates. Because one of the things about teaching an online class is that we don't have that small chatter that happens in a regular classroom. So you miss some of that. Not a lot of people, but a few people asked about getting rid of the multiple deadlines and wanting to sort of be able to do everything on the weekend. And I really cannot do that. I do a lot of studying on how people learn online, and having you log on multiple times really improves interactivity, and it's something that we're really being encouraged to do in the university and just in general in the counseling field and as instructors. I will also continue to weave bonus points throughout this course. They may be in the summaries, discussion boards, the videos, so just continue to watch. They won't be every week, but you will have a chance to get those if you want. After that, I just want to let you guys know that we need to continue to push forward. I really hope that by the end of this, you guys have a great understanding of theories. I will do everything in my power to convey the information to you and answer questions. So please continue to work with me and let me know what else you need. Thank you and have a great day.